Friends, hello and welcome to Snapshare. In today's episode, we're learning 5 food preparation techniques from your master cook, me.
You're having a bubble. I'm out. Bye.
Intro!
What?
My friends, the first one is boiling. Okay, guys, we boil foods in hot water. Okay, 100 degrees Celsius water. Okay, so we just cut the things, the foods, the meat and the vegetables, and just throw everything inside and forget about it.
You just chuck them in and leave it. Yes.
Yeah.
They cook themselves. They place themselves in the dish. They serve themselves. Yeah.
Very easily.
No, John. There are steps, recipes.
Really?
Oh my God. And you call yourself a chef?
Sure.
Oh, me.
Let the chef continue, okay?
Say that again. Hey, say that again.
Oh my God.
Number 2, my friend, is baking, okay guys, in dry medium heat, okay guys? So we bake pizza, we bake bread, we bake cakes, we bake pies.
Lasagna.
Oh, very good. Into the oven, okay?
Mamma
dry
mia.
medium heat. The professional who makes, okay, is a baker. And
Because he bakes.
Exactly. And where you buy all these things is called bakery.
Because who bakes works in a bakery because they bake.
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
Number 3, friends, is the grilling.
Oh, that one is famous.
Gosh, grilling, guys. We only need a grill, coal fire, very hot coal fire, okay? And the meat on top so we can grill it.
Oh man, I can smell it right now.
Barbecue, friends, barbecue, grilling meat.
Wake up!
Yeah, no barbecue now. Anyways, guys, number 4 is frying, okay? Very hot oil, okay? Guys, really simple. Get the oil very hot oil. And be careful because it's really dangerous, okay? Very hot oil, and then just dip the food into, till you get golden color.
Delicious.
Very, very nice.
Not very healthy.
No, not at all. But no, my heart and my mouth, they fight sometimes, but my mouth usually wins. And friends, number 5 is roasting and broiling.
What's the difference?
The difference is really simple, okay? Both we do in the oven, okay? In the oven, like opening, and put the food inside and close. All right?
Weird, buddy.
So the difference is, answering your question, Phil, roasting, the heat source is far away from the food. When broiling, my friends, the heat source is very close to the food, almost burning it, you know? Very, very close. Very, very close. That's the difference, all right?
Okay, very clear. Just leave the sound effects to me, all right?
All right, okay, I'll try.
Thank you.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
All right, John. Nice. It was quite informative. I get it. But is that all?
No, I have a secret recipe for you guys today.
You have what? Excuse me, what?
A secret recipe.
No, I get it. You're trying to kill me. Yeah, just like the last time.
No.
The last time you nearly got us killed with food poisoning. Pink chicken is not a thing.
It makes a very nice color. Anyway,
The chicken's raw!
I'm really sorry, okay? That was an accident. It won't happen again, I promise.
You should be ashamed!
I highly doubt.
Well, on to the recipe, okay, guys? Here are the steps for the recipe. Let's go. So first, guys, you cut up the chicken.
Oh, chicken again. You're gonna kill me again.
He's overreacting. It was just a little accident.
Hey, yeah, 3 days in the hospital.
Second, you dice the celery. Third, you peel the carrots. And fourth, you chop the onions.
Watch your fingers. I don't want a finger soup, please.
He's overreacting. It was...
Baby, I don't understand it.
Fifth, guys, you boil the chicken for 25 minutes. Sixth, okay, you add the vegetables. Seventh, don't forget to stir. And finally, you let simmer for about 10 minutes, okay, simmer. Very nice.
Open it up and let death spread out.
No. It's a very fine soup you like, okay, guys? And that's what we do, guys. Thank you very much. See you next one.
Get out! Out! Get out!
Bye.